This is the BBC. We will have to tell you some news from the BBC headquarters. Until the 30th of August 2024, we are going to shut down all radio services, including the BBC Sounds webpage and app. Thank you.
Okay, great. So you kind of like that change?
Yes.
Okay, then. Well, it was nice knowing you, Liam. Thank you for joining us.
No worries. Have a good night.
You too, Liam. Bye. Well, we have an announcement to make on BBC Radio 1. So, as you people all know, we are shutting down BBC Radio and BBC Sounds, so I will make my final goodbyes to you all on BBC Radio and move on to being a TV presenter. But I would like to say goodbye as I'm leaving the BBC company. Thank you for all the talking and music we've listened to. Thank you for those friendly people like Liam earlier on that have participated to be on these radios. And just thank you for everything. This is the final time I will say this, but you're listening to BBC Radio 1.